help a friend along the way, share a smile and a hand. Kindness grows across the land. 3 acts of goodness shining bright, morning moon and every speak words that cheer. Think good thoughts and spread them near. Speak good words so warm and true. Let your voice bring hope anew. Gentle words can heal a heart. Making peace is where we start. 3 acts of goodness shining bright, morning, noon, and every night. Do good deeds, speak words that cheer. Think good thoughts and spread good thoughts inside your mind. Dream of ways to help mankind. Happy thoughts can guide your way, lighting up so good. Strong and clear, bringing joy to all who hear. Do good deeds, speak words that cheer. Think good deeds every day, help a friend along the way, share a smile and a hand.